The joining piece both joins the two halves of the pump and allows water to pass through. The most common issue with the joining piece is corrosion, caused by storing the pump with water left inside of it. Replacing the joining piece is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by separating the pump from the engine. With the screws removed, now I can remove the pump. Now separate the two halves of the pump body from the oil reservoir. This assembly is spring-loaded, so I'll go ahead and remove two of the screws first, and then slowly remove the other two. I'll use a screwdriver to separate the two halves of the pump. Now I can remove the joining piece. And install the new one. I'll lubricate the O-rings with some silicone grease. Now I'll reassemble the two halves of the pump. And I'll reassemble the pump to the oil reservoir. If you decide you want to replace the oil in the oil reservoir, or if it's low, the correct oil is 15W40 non-detergent. You should fill the reservoir until the oil comes up to about 1/8 of an inch above the wobble plate. I'll place two of the bolts through the pump body and then compress the piston springs and get the bolts started. I'll go ahead and tighten up the first two bolts a little at a time. And then I can install the other two bolts. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the pump. I'll place the key in the motor keyway and then align the pump's keyway with the one on the motor shaft. I'll slide the pump onto the shaft and secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new joining piece in your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.